welcome to the first module in our Title I Family Partnership webpage. To get us started, I'd like to talk about what it means to be a Title I school. We'll start broadly across the United States and then bringing it into Dr. Charles R. Drew Elementary School. So first off, what is Title I? Across the United States, you can think of it as the largest federally funded K-12 program that focuses on that equitable educational opportunity to support students' success in school communities that have been identified as having greater economic needs. And when we think of equitable, think of equity versus equality. It's not our differences that divide us, it is our inability to recognize, accept, and celebrate those differences. And that's illustrated here by these three different plants. You know, if we were giving them equal treatment, giving them the same amount of sunshine and rain, you see that they're not really flourishing. However, in recognizing their different needs and celebrating those differences, we're able to see those plants flourish. So thinking of our students in that way, providing them individualized, differentiated instruction and supports. I've added, just to drive the point home, an additional image to reflect the difference between equality and equity. Within our state, Virginia has launched Title I website that really touches on a number of initiatives across our state that are really helping our students flourish in the state of Virginia. Now within APS, we do have our own mission statement, which is to provide that high quality, engaging instruction so that we can motivate students to become those lifelong learners. Within APS, we do have 8 elementary schools this year that meet the eligibility requirements. That means that 45% or more of our student population is designated as economically disadvantaged. And that gives us some additional funds that we can target for early intervention. Now within Drew, Dr. Charles R. Drew Elementary School has a focus on really our overall educational program to raise academic achievement for all students. And that gives us greater flexibility to use that Title I funding. Within our program, you can see we have program components. It is a multifaceted program, and we're using research-based components that really work together, thinking of it as a puzzle, to provide supplemental services that support our mission. Here are those components, and throughout the additional modules, you'll be able to dig a little deeper into what these pieces of the puzzle look like, what these components of our puzzle look like. Thank you so much for visiting this portion. Please continue on to learn more about Title I at Drew Elementary.